So, where are we hiking to today, girls?
Look that way. Mountain. Oh.
And what is Matija doing at the end of the hike?
Jumping in rivers with dresses on.
I was actually supposed to do that part, but then Matija sounded really excited, so I figured, you know what, glacial water, I'll just let her do it instead. Okay, how's the atmosphere looking? Is this a good spot?
For
shooting. Can you see the atmosphere? Okay, Matija, we're doing it here. I'm sorry, there's just too much awesome atmosphere. We gotta take some photos.
That atmosphere, though. What?
Can you see that on her?
Okay, winning video now, Harmony.
Oh, hi there. Because I'm fancy.